Want to know how to switch account on Messenger? As switching accounts can help keep things organized and make managing conversation smoother. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution and today I'll walk you through the process of how to switch account on Messenger. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Messenger app on your device and ensure you are logged into your primary account. On the top left of the screen, tap on the three horizontal lines icon. From the menu that appears, click on the setting to access the app settings option. In the settings, scroll until you find the switch account option. This feature is specially designed to let you switch between multiple accounts linked to your Messenger. Select the switch account option. Once you have made your selection, tap on the desired account to switch to it and confirm your action. Messenger will log you into the selected account and you will be immediately able to manage your messages and notifications under that profile. And that's how you can quickly switch accounts on Messenger. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.